How to create your GIF on Instagram stories. First of all, go to Chrome. Now search for on-screen GIF. After that, click on that first website. Upload your clip that you want to convert to GIF. Wait a little bit. It will take 1 minute or 2 minutes. So we will simply wait. It will get processed 200%. Once it gets processed, you will simply click on share, and after that you will simply click on copy. Once you copy it, after that you will go to Instagram. Now I will click on story. Now I will select the photo where I want to put that GIF. After that, I will simply click on tags. Now I will simply click on in keyboard that for cues. After that, I will go to clipboard. Here you guys can see our GIF that we are copied are available. Now I will simply click on that. And here we go. Our GIF was a little story. That's how you guys can add your GIF to Instagram stories. Thanks for watching.